What's happening, my people? Your boy Denzel FX. We're back again with a little bit of a different video. We're gonna do a pre-trade video, my people. So just sit tight. I'll just show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a look at NZDJPY, see exactly what's happening with this little pair over here, and look to enter a trade. If it plays our way, very good. If it doesn't, we'll take our lessons and go from there. So over here we can see this is kind of a double bottom. From here price start pushing to the upside. So this is the first level I see in the market that price has reacted to. Next thing, I jump into the line chart, then I'm going to draw my next level where I think price will potentially head towards, which is up here. But at the moment I also do notice that price is actually at another level of resistance, which is over here, as you can see. So I am waiting to see exactly how price reacts here. At the moment, we're having a little rejection, which is very good. But before we do that, I do think price will most likely drop to this level over here, perform an inverse head and shoulder to continue pushing up, grab liquidity to perform a head and shoulder, and continue pushing to the downside. That's what I see at the moment here on the weekly. So we're going to jump into the, as you can see, it's even turning now. We're going to jump into the daily, dissect this a little bit more, see what's happening. So here at the moment on the daily, we have that double bottom here. And at the moment, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to replicate this here so we can see what's happening. I'll get rid of this for now. Replicate the rectangle. Boom. So this is our level. As you can see, what's happening here. Okay. So the level has now been replicated. I'm just going to cater to this wick resistance, a little bit of resistance here and resistance here. As you can see, price is now starting to show signs of rejection. What I do next is I'm going to create my trend line to show me the direction of the current market, which is an uptrend. Now that I have my direction here, what I'm going to do again is simply just replicate this to see clearly what's happening. So now I do know that the trend is my friend, and it's been my friend since it's coming up to this level over here. So we're going to see what could potentially happen next. So that's that on the daily. If it closes like this in the daily, the next few days we're going to be looking to see the bearish side potentially come over here, retest this level, as you can see, continue pushing up to this level. But that hasn't happened yet, so we just continue seeing what we want to see. So here now we jump into the 4-hour time frame. We're going to make things a little more clear with this trend line over here. Bump into the line chart. As you can see, we'll cater for these two touches. Where are we? We're going to cater for touch number 1 and touch number 2. So there could be a potential third touch somewhere here, but at the moment, we forget about that. See what we want to see, not what we don't want to see. Anyway, we see that there. We're going to do the same here for the upper trend line. So we're going to cater to the first touch, which is somewhere over here. Second touch is over here. And we're at the third touch, which is where price is currently now at the moment. Boom. So we have noticed price is actually broken above this level. It's coming back to retest this level that we had drawn from the higher time frame. At the same time, we do see this over here as a push to the downside. That red line lines up nicely with one of the levels here. Boom, nice little area over here. So we do understand price could potentially start doing something else now. We go back to the line chart, simple as that, and we draw our next trend line. So this is going to show us the inner direction on the lower time frame. So what I do now, I'm going to jump into the 1-hour time frame so I can show you exactly what I'm seeing. So on the 1-hour time frame, we have one touch over here, second touch, third touch, potentially a fourth touch is happening here. Line chart, it's not quite there on the line chart, but we can see here on the candlestick chart. So from there, what we do next is we simply replicate this here so we can see what is actually happening. This is why trend lines are here. We use trend lines to show us the direction of the market. And this is clear to see that the direction of the market currently is an uptrend, my people. So with that being said, we were able to dissect this from the 4 hour to see exactly what is potentially happening. Nice uptrend, another uptrend. There is one or two things that may happen now. Since we are at this level here of resistance from the higher time frame, we can start looking for bearish patterns. Possibly a double top could form here to continue pushing down, retest, come here, see what happens next. If it pushes up, it pushes up. If it doesn't, push down, retest all the way to the downside. And obviously here on the 4 hour time frame, you can see price made a new high. It's retesting this last level of the low. So if it does push up, yep, we are expecting a nice double bottom. Sorry, double top. But here we're gonna jump into the 1 hour time frame and find that perfect entry. So here on the 1 hour time frame, what I'm gonna do here is now I found my level. I don't need this. So yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, I found my potential level for an order block, which is definitely sitting right here, as you can see, my people. And my exit will be bang over here. This is quick in and out. As long as the risk to reward is 1 to 3, that's all that matters. Bang. So now I see this here. I'm going to make my stop loss simply underneath this wick over here. Bang. So this is going to be the trade. I know what this level is on the higher time frame. So I'm just going to remove this rectangle so I can see things more clear. So yeah, as you can see, this is a clear uptrend. Every time price approaches the trend line, we're going to be looking for buying opportunities. So I'm literally going to look to buy from here all the way to here. If something nice happens, if it approaches this area very impulsively, I will just have a trading stop here, just watching the trade go by up until possibly retest this level again. If it approaches this level quite correctively, then yeah, I will take all my profits over here. So that's that there. Then finally, the next step, what I'm going to do is just put my long tool position here so I can see exactly what type of risk to reward I'm having. At the moment it's 0 to 8, and as you can see, the more I come to below this stop loss here, I'm looking at a nice 1 to 3.8 if this trade actually does play out, my people. So that's that there, guys. Hopefully you guys seen exactly what we've done here, dissecting this from the weekly, daily, 4 hour, all the way to the 1 hour. And even just, we're going to take the step backwards, as you can see. So working backwards on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have a nice ascending channel, as you can see. Jumping over to the 4 hour time frame, we've got a channel within a channel. So yeah, two channels like so. It is very bearish at the moment, so I will wait until I get my 4 hour close. Then from there we see what's happening, and obviously jumping out of that into the daily time frame, we can see there's something special happening here. It's starting to show signs of rejection, but we wait until the daily candle closes, see what's happening. And like I said over here, this is a point of resistance, or we can say this will be here the point of resistance. And as you can see, price has actually broken above. It's coming back to retest out on the 1 hour time frame. So that's that, my people. We'll see how this trade plays out. Tune in to the next part of this video, and yeah, peace in the Middle East. Okay, what's good, my people? We are back. It's the following day. Now let's take a look at NZDJPY and see exactly what happened.
Words for him. Different gravy.
Bow. So as you can see, it actually played out perfectly. We had our buy limits over here. Bang. At that price level here. TP over here. So this was a beautiful trade. Nice 1 to 3.8. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video. How to find entries in Forex. And yeah, my people, make sure you show some love. Like, comment, subscribe to the boys channel. And I will see you in the next video. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.